If you have a stomach ache, drink warm water with lemon and ginger. If you have a backache, apply heat on your back. If you have a headache, drink more water. If you have a muscle ache, use magnesium sulfate. If you have a joint ache, take turmeric. If you have a toothache, rinse your mouth with salt water. If nature didn't make it, don't take it. Vitamin D prevents cancer. Omega-3 prevents heart disease. Magnesium prevents diabetes. Calcium prevents osteoporosis. Potassium prevents high blood pressure. Vitamin B prevents Alzheimer's. And Moringa contains them all. If nature didn't make it, don't take it. Top 10 superfoods everyone should have. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take these substances together to feel their benefits twice as much. Iron and vitamin C for increased circulation and immunity. Protein and carbohydrates for increased muscle growth and recovery. Calcium and vitamin D for stronger teeth and bones. Magnesium and vitamin B for better sleep and relaxation. Ashwagandha and black pepper for increased strength and focus. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.
If you're skinny, use peanut butter, oats, avocados, creatine, and ground beef to build muscle fast. If you're overweight, use tuna, chicken breast, turkey, egg whites, and spinach to lose fat and build muscle. If you're skinny fat, use whole eggs, sweet potatoes, creatine, Greek yogurt, and steak to recompose your body by building muscle and losing fat. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.
The best time to eat fruits is in the morning. The best time to drink milk is in the evening. The best time to eat bread and other simple carbs is in the morning or afternoon. The best time to eat eggs is in the morning. The best time to eat meat is in the afternoon. The best time to eat fish is in the evening. Save for later and share to spread the health.
Stop eating fried foods. They will spike your glucose and the oils will sit in your system for months. Stop drinking diet soda. The artificial sweeteners will damage your brain more than you can imagine. Stop eating breakfast cereal. They're loaded with sugar, and there's a reason most of the cereals in the US are banned throughout the rest of the world. If nature didn't make it, don't take it.